if you're watching this video and you're frustrated that your stock portfolio isn't giving you the returns that you want, and you want to make more money from the stock market but you just don't know how, then stay and watch this video, because I'm going to explain how one ticker trader run by decades-long trader Larry Benedict can potentially help you to make an extra 1 to maybe even 3k or more per month just trading one ticker per month. Now, obviously, I can't guarantee you're going to make 1 to 3k a month because when you start out, it'll probably be less. But it is very possible to make that sort of income once you sort of learn what Larry teaches and his trade recommendations. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So I'm just like a normal guy, and I use one ticker trader to basically make extra income from the market by placing Larry's trade. Now, what kind of trading does Larry do? Larry is an options trader. Basically, all options are is they're specialized financial contracts that give a buyer or a seller the right to buy or sell shares in a set period of time at a set price. But Larry trades options in a very particular way. I'm not going to go deep into this because I don't want to blow your mind. But basically what Larry does is his trading strategy allows him to trade one ticker a month. If that ticker is performing, is highly volatile, Larry will start issuing trades around that, because the beautiful thing about options trading is it allows you to make a profit from a stock whether it is rising in price or falling in price. And the way he does that is that basically he places call options trades if a stock is going up, or put options trade if a stock is going down. And that is basically how his system works. And by doing this, he can make 20 to 100% profit per trade. And yeah, that is basically how you can build up to potentially 1 to 3k a month. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run you through the service very quickly to show you what you get. The first thing that you get when you join one ticker trader are basically the issues and updates. You've got the Ask Larry Anything, which is basically where you can ask him questions, but he also gives full market breakdown as well. But also you get the trade alerts. So you get these trade alerts basically here, and they come in this format. So buy to open the IBIT February 20th 59 calls. So this is basically the format, and I'm not going to sort of go through it in this video because I want to blow your mind, but basically this is just telling you which option to buy. In this case, it's a call option. You're buying the call option with a strike price. This is the price Larry thinks is going to be exceeded. You buy a call when the stock is expected to go up. It's going to exceed $59. This is the expiration date of the option, February 20th, when the option expires, and you're basically buying it at a premium of $3.30 per share. Very important to note, each options contract you buy controls or holds 100 shares, so you always multiply this number by 100 to let you know how much you're going to have to pay to buy into that trade. In this case, it's up to $330. And obviously, on this trade, if you made 100% return, you'd make $330 profit. And that is kind of how it works. Let me just go back. So yeah, that is basically the first thing you get. You also get the sell alerts as well. Just very quickly to note, Larry is on an 80% win streak with his trades this year, or in 2025, which is outstanding. And he makes anywhere from 20 to 100% returns per share. And you can get anywhere from 1 to maybe 3 trades per month, obviously if the market conditions allow it. Next thing you get are all of the special reports. You get all of these reports for free. These are his research reports which home in on a stock that he wants to trade using his options trading strategies. All sorts of different stocks you can trade here with options, such as energy, gold, AI stocks, crypto, Tesla, you name it. Larry trades oil, house building, the whole lot. Portfolio of all open positions. Then this is the basically training session, which basically brings you up to speed with the basics of options trading. And that is really what you get with One Ticker Trader. I've been a member since 2022. I really enjoy the service. I think it is brilliant. I think it's a great service. I really, really enjoy it. And yeah, it's just it's a great way. Trading options is a great way to make extra income from the stock market without just doing the buy and hold. And your trading account can build up pretty quickly over the space of a year or two, because it's not about making huge, massive wins, especially if you're starting out with a small amount of money. It's about making small returns, building up your retirement account. So basically, you can sort of keep growing your trading account until it really builds up into quite a large figure over time. So that is really everything you need to know about One Ticker Trading. That is how you could potentially earn 1 to 3K a month by trading options with master options trader Larry Benedict. He's one of the best in the business. So if you're looking to start 2026 with making extra income, Larry is your man to follow. So if you want to join Larry Benedict's One Ticker Trader, there's a link in the comment description below. Just click on that page, click the button, and it will take you through to the card page where you can place your order. You can join for just $19, which locks your membership in for 1 year. And you get all of his special reports for free as well. And you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like the service, you can ask for your money back. But for $19, it is definitely worth giving it a try. So if you want to try, link in the comment description below. That's what I've got for you. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you